And thank you for tuning in to the Motor Machines channel. In today's episode, we're going to be making a heavy duty triangle stand for a dirt bike out of these offcuts of mild steel. We've got flat bar, that's 50mm wide, 3mm thick, angle iron, that's 30mm by 30mm and 3mm thick. Then we've got an old M10 bolt. These are what I've acquired for free, so these are what I'm going to use. If you want to see how this is done, then stick around and we'll be back in a couple of clicks. All I really need to do is just cut some steel, join it, and then the cosmetics to give it a nice finish. I'm going to use my metal bench saw and an arc welder. You could always drill some holes and bolt this together, or use some Gorilla Glue or that Gorilla Tape if you're some sort of cowboy. Yeehaw! It might work. I have made one of these before. This used to fit a small like 85cc bike, and then that'll fit your average size dirt bike. It's sort of universal. But I want another one because I need a spare for another location. I'm going to go and cut this flat bar into two 37cm lengths with a 22 degrees angle on one end. Next, I just want to make that bit of angle 1 foot 30.5cm exactly, and just smooth off the rough edges quickly. I'm going to cut the bolt to 6cm, and we'll also have a 22 degrees angle cut on it. Everything's cut to size now. First, what I want to do though is quickly get the wire brush, take off all the dirt and rust from off this bit of angle, so we've got a nice surface to weld to. That's all prepped. Next job then, let's just take the rough edges off of the uprights and the bolt. Next then, I'm just going to lay it on the floor, eye it up and clamp it together. And there you go, tried and tested. There's my heavy duty triangle stand made from offcuts of mild steel and an old M10 bolt and a bit of rattle can black. It's an improvement from my last one. I'm glad I done it. I hope you enjoyed this upload, and maybe we shall see you in the future. MOTO Machines out.